Hi, it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today is an exciting video. I will be cleaning and decorating my kitchen and showing you a new delicious dinner recipe. It is also a collab with my good friend Tiffany from Smalltown Six. So I will put her links in the description box below. She is a mama of 4 and has an amazing channel with delicious cooking videos. She has literally the best recipes. She also has cleaning motivation as well as grocery hauls, clothing try-ons, and product reviews. You will be so inspired and motivated. She is so friendly and seriously so sweet. Please check her out after my video, and now I will let her introduce herself.
First off, I want to say thank you, Angie, for doing this collab with me today. Hey guys, this is Tiffany with Smalltown Six. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids. They range in all kinds of ages between 15 all the way down to 5. And on my channel, I share lots of homemaker motivation, lots of mommy motivation. I do a lot of what's for dinner videos, a lot of grocery hauls and meal plans. I throw in some cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, and pretty much anything that goes into being a homemaker I do over on my channel. I would love to have you guys stop by and consider subscribing if that sounds like something of interest to you. Thank you guys so much.
If you are coming over from Tiffany's channel, hi and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Please, if you like what you see in this video, I have many more videos like this. Please hit the red subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. Now let's get into today's video. I will be starting with this area of the kitchen first. I'm still getting used to having this bar table set up over here because I was used to having the couch here, but this is what we have now, and I'm going to decorate this area, get it all ready for Christmas time. Okay, so this lantern kind of looking thing with these trees, these flock trees, it is so pretty. Does this open? Alright, it's stuck. But anyway, they light up. I just have to put batteries in this because this is just the tester, but this is so cute. I love the natural wood with the white and the green trees, and it goes perfectly with this sparkly tree here. I just put some of these signs. Last year I had them hanging up when I did have a big tree in the kitchen in this spot, but yeah, we're doing something a little bit different this year. I'm gonna put this gold reindeer there, the light up birch tree, which you saw in my previous Christmas decorate with me. I was trying it out as the centerpiece on the table, but yeah, not for every day use for that. I'll just put this on the table for actual Christmas time when we have people over. So that I love. So now I'm just gonna see what I can put on this table and take down that Decor clock. It's just for decor. It doesn't tell the time, but you know, it's like a big statement piece. But I will take it down because I'm not sure how I like it with this. I'm not sure yet. Okay, now onto this side of the kitchen. It is a mess. There's stuff that needs to be done here. Cleaning, putting away dishes, all that. And then I will put a few more decor pieces, and then I will show you this new recipe that I have that I think you will love. When I buy food, groceries from the grocery store that comes in a glass jar, glass container, I love it because I always keep it and I just save it for storing food, pickling food, stuff like that. It really comes in handy. So I love buffalo check, so I always try to incorporate it some way, somehow for each season or holiday. So I just hung up these buffalo check stockings on these cabinets, and I added a cute little Merry Christmas sign. It looks like a door. This sign right here, this cute little cup, and that buffalo check Santa. You're down, you think you'll never get up, never get up. Ooh, so I got this cute little snowman platter. So cute. I just have to soak it good because the price tag is still like very sticky on it. Also I got this from Target, this cute little mini waffle maker. And it's in the shape of design of a snowflake. It's really cute.
The stars landing. Just got home, I've been hovering around the cool kid compounds. Started look real promising, yeah. 225, lucky stars on a Jeep, that's a price for this guy asking me what I like. Wanna slide on a beat every night, but I felt off, let it right on my face, yeah. Picture the star killer base, yeah. It don't matter, I'm still amazing. I'm fixing you to like me more, so at the end of my speed, I know it can be frightening to let it go.
Now for the yummy recipe part of the video, I will be making a pumpkin pasta. And these are the ingredients that you need that I will be using. Some butter, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, some milk. This is the only milk I actually had on hand in the fridge, so I'm gonna use that. Salt, pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon, although you could also use a nutmeg, onion and garlic, using a can of organic pumpkin. You can use any kind of pasta. I will be using the rotini, some olive oil. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, so first the pan is already heated. I'm going to add in the butter and the olive oil. Then I will add in the chopped garlic, onions, and sun-dried tomatoes and let this cook for a little bit. I'm going to throw in a bunch of organic baby spinach and just let it wilt down a little bit. Season it with some salt and pepper. For the pepper, I like to use black pepper as well as white pepper. I feel like it gives it a nice taste.
Maybe I can call you friend or lover. Maybe we can find a way to merge them.
Next, I will add about a half a can of the organic pumpkin, and the pumpkin will thicken up the sauce. You'll see when I add in the milk. Yeah, so instead of me using a heavy cream, the pumpkin is actually doing the thickening of the sauce. Okay, so now the rotini is done, so I'm going to add it into the pan with the sauce. just like, I cannot wait to eat this. It looks and smells amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I want to say thank you again to Tiffany from Smalltown 6 for doing this collab with me, and I'll see you in my next one.